So I want to make this movement a bit more jerky, a bit more so it makes a movement, it has a small pause and it makes another movement. So I'm going to show you how to do that and add like these pauses in the timeline. Now I've made myself a button here that selects everything, that selects everything including the can. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to make buttons using the Mel script. Okay, so you can see all my keys here in the timeline, and I'm going to use the graph editor to help me here. So window, animation, editors, graph editor, here it is. You can see everything selected here, and I'm just going to hit frame to show you what that looked like. So right now I'm in stepped tangents. Okay, I'm going to keep using that right now. It's important to have it on stepped tangents. Okay, so I need to create a bit of space for my pauses. Right now I have my timings very regular, so that's what I'm going to play with right now. So I'm going to select everything, if I can, yes. I'm going to select everything except my first key, and using Shift, middle mouse button, drag, I need to hit W to move it first, Shift, middle mouse button, drag to the right, and that's just giving me a bit more space. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just click on my first one because I want to have a pause here in my starting position. So I'm going to right click, copy, and paste it about 10 frames. So I want about a 10 frame pause, perhaps. I mean, maybe less actually. Let's see, let's go for less. Select all. Okay, 7 frames, why not? And paste. Okay, so now I have these are duplicated, so this is where nothing happens. Okay, my next movement is over here. So I've moved now. So how long do I want this to take between that first and the second one? I think this is okay, or maybe a bit longer. Okay, so I'm going to select all of these frames. Past here, middle mouse button and drag, give it a bit more length time for that movement, so before it gets to there. And again here I want another pause, so I'm going to just repeat the same process. Move these guys up, check, copy this key and paste it a couple of keys later, a couple of frames later, paste. Okay, so there's my pause. And basically you're getting copied pairs, so these two work together. Okay, so then what's happening in my next one? So this is a nice long movement here, so actually I've given myself enough room already. So I'm going to I'm just going to continue doing that. So if you've got it, you can stop this video. If you haven't got it, keep watching. I'm going to keep going, doing the same, repeating the same action. Okay, so to here. So I want everything past here to be moved. Select, middle mouse button, drag to the right. Copy this frame a few frames later. Okay, interesting. So you want to watch for anything bad happening like this. That is not what you want. And select all. So if you run out of frames, don't worry, just increase your shot length. No problem. Okay, so keep playing, keep having a go. copy and paste your pairs.